Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you the unboxing of Lenovo Ideapad Slim 3 13th generation Intel Core i5 processor laptop. The box of Lenovo Ideapad Slim 3 looks like this. Here you can see the Lenovo branding. It comes with Microsoft Office Home 2024. Over here you can see the price. The price mentioned on the box is 81,390, but during the last Amazon sale I got this for approximately 54,000. On the sides, you can see the model number and other serial numbers. Without wasting any time, let's open the seal and open the laptops from the box. Here is the seal, Lenovo. Whenever you are purchasing any Lenovo laptop, make sure that it is not tampered. Let's remove the laptop. Here is the laptop. Let's keep it aside. And inside you will get some booklets. In this you will get the travel adapter and the power cable. That's it. Here are some booklets. And here is a power cord. Here is a 65 watts travel adapter, and the pin of the charger looks like this. Here you can see that the charger is not type C, and here is a laptop. The laptop is very slim. Here you can see that it is also lightweight. You can see the Lenovo branding, Lenovo. Here you can see the thickness of the laptop, and the bottom of the Lenovo Ideapad looks like this. Here you can see the ventilation, and here you can see the model number of this laptop. If you can see properly, it is a Windows hologram. Here are some rubber strips to keep your laptop elevated so that air goes out from the bottom. Here you can see 3 elevated rubber strips, 1, 2, 3. So on the right side, you can see the USB Type A port and memory card reader. I think it's a memory card reader. Yeah, memory card reader. On off button. And here is the Nova button hole. I made a separate video on how to use the Nova button hole. And on the front, you don't have any buttons. On the left side, you get the port for charging. Simply insert this charging cable in this port and you can charge the laptop. And here is a USB Type A. In total, you will get 2 USB Type A ports and HDMI port, and one is a Type C port and one is a headphone jack. On the back side, you don't have any ports. Here you can see that you don't have any ports on the back. Let's open the Lenovo Ideapad Slim 3. On opening, you will find this paper. They have given clear information on all the ports. If you want, you can scan this QR code and you can know more details, and you will get this brochure. If you want to upgrade the warranty, you can follow the steps. Let's keep this aside, and here you can see the keypad. On top of the display, you have the full HD front facing camera. If you want, you can simply remove this sticker. Here is the camera. If you want to close the camera, you can use this physical button. Here you can see the red light. It means that you have closed the front facing camera. If you want to open the camera, simply slide like this, you can open the camera. So it's a nice feature to have on the modern laptops for privacy concerns. Before inserting the charger to the laptop, let's try to turn on the device. Press the power button. I think there is no charge in the laptop. So currently there is no power in the laptop. So I have connected the laptop to the power source. Now we have connected the laptop to the charger. Let's turn on. We need to set up the laptop. Select your country first. Now it is checking for updates, and if there is an update, it will download the updates for you. So this process may take some time, so I'm going to pause this video and I will get back. Now you can see that the laptop has been booted up. Now let's open the front facing camera. Here you can see the red dot. It means that front facing camera is turned off. You need to move the slider to the right. Now let's open the camera and check the quality. Open the camera app. View the required permissions. Here is a video and here is a photo. The quality is decent. Here is the trackpad. The trackpad is pretty good. And this is how the keyboard looks. And here are the speakers. Let's open the file explorer and Right click on that and click on properties. Here you can see the storage space, 477 GB free space, and you have the Intel integrated graphics and 16 GB RAM, and the processor is 7th gen Intel Core i5 processor 13420H, 2.10 GHz, and you can see the laptop model number iPad Slim 3 15IRH10. Here you can see the device name. Here you can see the out of 474 GB, 412 GB is free out of the box. So that's it guys, here is a short unboxing video of Lenovo Ideapad Slim 3. Hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.